Hi, welcome to Story Time. Today we're going to talk about bikes and trucks and cows and ducks. We're going to start off with our hello song. Are you ready? We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at Story Time, we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at Story Time, we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not put them in. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Good job. The next thing we're going to do is our first book, and it's called The Little Blue Truck. And it was written by Alice Shirtle and illustrated by Jill McElmurray. And we'd like to say thank you to Harcourt for allowing us to read this aloud. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said a piggy, beep said Blue. Cluck said a chicken and her chick said peep, ma said a goat, Blue said beep, neigh said a horse, quack said a duck, beep said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Room went the duck around the curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rode the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the muck and mire. Honk, said the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might, and Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. The end. The next thing we have is a flannel board, and it's called 5 Little Pigs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little pigs rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, squishy, squashy. It felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. 4 little piggies rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, squishy, squashy. It felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. 3 little piggies rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, squishy, squashy, it felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. Two little piggies rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, squishy, squashy, it felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. One little piggy rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, squishy, squashy, it felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. No little piggies rolled in the mud. They all looked so clean and good. But when the farmer turned his back, those little piggies went rolling in the mud again. Sorry, that didn't rhyme. All the piggies are back in the mud where they belong. Our next book is called Duck on a Bike, and it was written by David Shannon. And we'd like to thank Scholastic for allowing us to read it. Duck on a Bike. One day down on the farm, Duck got a wild idea. I bet I could ride a bike, he thought. He waddled over to where the boy parked his bike, climbed on, and began to ride. At first he rode very slowly, and he wobbled a lot, but it was fun. Duck rode past Cow and waved to her. Hi, Cow, said Duck. Moo, said Duck. But what she thought was, a duck on a bike? That's the silliest thing I've ever seen. Then Duck rode past Sheep. Hello, Sheep, said Duck. Bah, said Sheep. But what she thought was, he's going to hurt himself if he's not careful. Duck was riding better now. He rode past Dog. Hello, Dog, said Duck. Said Duck. Woof, said Dog. But what he thought was, that's a mighty neat trick. Then Duck rode past Cat. Hello, Cat, said Duck. Meow, said Cat. But what she thought was, I wouldn't waste my time riding a bike. Duck pedaled a little faster. He rode past Horse. Hello, Horse, said Duck. Nay, said Horse, but what he thought was, you're still not as fast as me, Duck. Duck rang his bell as he rode toward Chicken. Hello, Chicken, said Duck. Cluck, cluck, said Chicken, but what she thought was, watch where you're going, Duck. Then Duck rode past Goat. Hello, Goat, said Duck. Ma, said Goat, but what he thought was, I'd like to eat that bike. Duck stood on the seat and rode past Pig and Pig. Hello, pigs, said Duck. Oink, said Pig and Pig, but what they really thought was, Duck is such a show-off. Then Duck rode no hands past Mouse. Hello, Mouse, said Duck. Squeak, said Mouse, but what he thought was, I wish I could ride a bike, just like Duck. Suddenly, a whole bunch of kids came down the road on bikes. They were in such a hurry that they didn't see Duck. They parked their bikes by the house and went inside. What do you think they're going to do? Now all the animals had bikes. They rode around and around the barnyard. This is fun, they all said. Good idea, Duck. Then they put their bikes back by the house, and no one knew that on that afternoon there had been a cow, a sheep, a dog, a cat, a horse, a chicken, a goat, 2 pigs, a mouse, and a duck on a bike. The end. What do you think Duck's gonna ride next? Next I have a song, and it's called I Had a Little Bicycle, and it has some movements to it, so you can do them along with me. And it starts out, I had a little bicycle, I ride it to and fro, and when I see the light is green, I know it's time to go. I had a little bicycle, I ride it around town, and when I see the light is yellow, I know it's time to slow down. I have a little bicycle, I bought it at the shop, And when I see the light is red, I know it's time to stop. Let's do that one again. I had a little bicycle. I ride it to and fro, and when I see the light is green, I know it's time to go. I have a little bicycle. I ride it around town, and when I see the light is yellow, I know it's time to slow down. I have a little bicycle. I bought it at the shop, and when I see the light is red, I know it's time to stop. The next thing that I have is a song that we did earlier in the summer, and it's called Old MacDonald Had a Band. And I still have my old props, except for my Christmas ornaments. I had to put those away, so I found some other bells. So it starts off with, Old MacDonald had a band, E-I-E-I-O, and in his band he had some shakers, E-I-E-I-O, with a shake, shake here and a shake, shake there, here, shake, there, shake, everywhere, shake, shake. Old MacDonald had a band, E-I-E-I-O, and in his band he had some rhythm sticks, E-I-E-I-O, with a tap, tap here and a tap, tap there, here, tap, there, tap, everywhere, tap, tap. Old MacDonald had a band, E-I-E-I-O, and in his band he had some scarves, E-I-E-I-O, with a wave, wave here and a wave, wave there, here, wave, there, wave, everywhere, wave, wave. Old MacDonald had a band, E-I-E-I-O, and in his band he had some bells, E-I-E-I-O, with a ring, ring here and a ring, ring there, here, ring, there, ring, everywhere, ring, ring. Old MacDonald had a band, E-I-E-I-O. Our craft this week is a cow puppet, and you can stop by the children's department at the library and pick up a kit or the drive-up window. And I usually do Tiny Tot story time, and one of the questions that parents always have for me is, how do I get my kids to sit still? And I always tell them, don't make them. Just go ahead and sit down, and if they want to play while you're reading a book, let them play. If they want to come and sit for a couple of minutes and read, and then get up and move around, let them go. You can still keep reading. They're still listening. And the last thing that we have is our goodbye song. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands with all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Thanks for stopping by. Join us next week to see what Miss Sharon's cooking up for you.